Hey there, HVAC warriors and comfort seekers. Welcome back to HVACknowhow.com, where we turn complex cooling and heating mysteries into straight-up knowledge gold. I'm your host, Bea Espino, and today we're diving into finding the best HVAC installers near Apopka, Florida. Listen up, comfort-seeking friends. Finding the right HVAC installer isn't just about who shows up first in your Google search. After years in the field, I can tell you it's about who truly understands Apopka homes, from those charming 1980s ranches to the fresh builds in new developments. Here's the real talk on what you need to know. Installation costs typically run between $5,000 to $12,500. Now, I know that's a wide range, but hold up. Let me break down why. Knowledge bomb incoming. A basic install in a newer home might land around $5,200, while older homes needing duct updates and retrofits could push $11,800. Plot twist, and this is where it gets really good. Upgrading to a high-efficiency system can slash your cooling costs by up to 20%. That's huge in our Florida climate, am I right? Think of it this way. That's like getting every fifth electric bill for free. And here's a little insider secret I wish someone had told me earlier. The best installers aren't just dropping in units, they're solving comfort puzzles. They're checking your ductwork, analyzing your home's specific needs, and matching you with the perfect system size. Trust me, we've all seen what happens when someone tries to slap a one-size-fits-all solution on a unique Apopka home. It's about as effective as trying to cool your house with a desk fan. Before I let you go, here's your golden rule. Don't just shop price. Choose a team that knows Apopka's specific challenges. Because when it comes to HVAC installation, local experience isn't just nice to have, it's everything. This has been Bea with HVAC Know-How, heat, cool, and everything between. Until next time, you can discover more HVAC morsels at HVACknowhow.com.